What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I know I've been gone for quite some time. Um, I've been dealing with sickness as well as not having a voice and just a lot of mess that's going on. And now we're starting to clear things up. As I talk for longer, and my voice tends to go away. So hopefully that's not the case in this video. We do plan to have a couple of videos in the day, but I'm not 100% sure. It depends how this one goes. So here today we're going to be talking about XRP because as I've seen with many comments that have come across my desk, especially with the fact that I've been gone for quite some time, people are like, what's going on? You made your money with XRP and now you're gone. You're saying that, XRP is going to go so much further, but you're not talking about XRP right now. And the reality is that I just don't have a voice. It's not the fact that I don't have my XRP. I still have all of it. And I still believe heavily in it, but I see the comments that come through and there's so much fear, right? So much fear of what's going to happen, of it being at a high price and Bitcoin coming down to a low level and seeing everything kind of fall as well. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the fear. We're going to talk about why people are so, afraid of XRP at these prices, and kind of make people maybe feel a little bit better about what they are holding. And no way am I trying to get people to just hold for as long as possible or more people to buy it. I'm not trying to do that, right? I understand what XRP is going to be, and I fully believe in the fact that people are going to buy it for the use, as well as understanding the fear of missing out of what it's going to be, which will be a lot higher. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I have a link for BTCC down below if you guys want to check that out. That is a great platform if you guys want to start trading. Also, thank you to AddUp for sponsoring this video, but more on that later. So let's go ahead and look at the crypto market. Since we haven't really looked at everything, crypto market currently stands at $3.57 trillion market cap, so not too much further or far away from where we were when we last started talking about crypto. It is up by 3.3%. When it comes to the overall market cap, Bitcoin is at 104, almost 105,000. And you see XRP that's at $3.10. So it's not at a ridiculously low level. Obviously, it's not at the highest level that it has been, but it does have people afraid because it is at such a high level compared to where they invested. Now, there's two types of people, right? There's the people that invested early that want to protect their profits, and there's the people that invested late that are already maybe seeing some negativity, right? And that's where we get into kind of a difficult spot because I'm one of those people that invested early, right? So if anybody is going to look at what I have, it will always be the people that invested early and kind of take inspiration off of that. However, the people that invested late, it's very difficult for you guys to see negativity and think that everything's going to be sunshine, rainbows, unicorns, and butterflies. That's not how things work, right? So the reason why people are afraid is because of the sporadic negativity, right, and positivity that we see, the ebbs and flows to the market, right? And it makes it very difficult to hold in a situation where you are negative. And it also makes it very difficult to hold when you're insanely positive. If you're up hundreds of thousands of dollars, you know that that can go away just as fast as it came to you, right? Um, just like my wife always says, I'm like, oh, I'm up, $20,000. She's like, is that realized gains or unrealized gains? And I'm like, it's unrealized. She's like, well, it doesn't matter. And that's kind of true until you actually sell, those gains are not real, right? Those gains are the gains that they are, but that can go away just like that. So you understand that that's always a process, and that's the reason why we look at it that way. Now, before we get into the next part of this video, I want to go through the video sponsor, AddUp. You guys should check them out. The video or the link to that will be in the description. What's up, guys? If you're curious about crypto and don't know where to start, I've got something exciting for you right now. AddUp is an all-in-one crypto ecosystem that makes trading simple, risk-free, and engaging. In less than a month, over 550,000 users have joined. and it's just getting started. Let me show you how the next generation crypto platform works and why you should check it out. AddUp isn't just a trading bot. It's a complete crypto ecosystem in the making. Soon, it's planned to include crypto wallet, a crypto card, centralized exchange, as well as swap trading tools. So how does it work? First, you predict Bitcoin's price. Will it go up or will it go down? Just tap your choice and that's it. It's fast, easy, and risk-free. Next, you set your trade size and leverage. But here's the best part. Since it's a simulated environment, there's zero financial risk. What makes AddUp even more exciting is the leaderboard system. Every correct trade gives you points, and you can compete with other traders for a top spot. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn or an experienced trader testing a strategy, here's the place to start. Just use my link down in the description. You can sign up for AddUp today, start trading, and see what it's all about. Now, thank you to AddUp for sponsoring this video, but back to our original content. So for XRP, if we get back into what we're talking about, XRP stands at $3.10. It's up by 1.3%. We're seeing it with still about $7 billion worth of volume and about 58 billion coins in circulating supply. Here's all the things that get people afraid, right? When you see things like this, right? When you go to the last year and you see something that increases up to $3.40 and then decreases down to what we saw below $3, that's where a lot of people end up getting very, very afraid because they think it's going to continue. They think it's going to continue in that manner and it's going to drop down to even lower levels and be worth $2.50 or $2. And the problem is that they invested at a level of $4 and now it's at less than $3. So that's very scary. Also, you start to look at the circulating supply and you say, okay, that circulating supply is at 56 or 58 billion. What happens when it's at 100 billion? Are we still going to see that same price level? Because that means we would need to see a higher market cap at that price or at that supply. So people get afraid at those levels and know that dilution is a thing. But if you have not done your research, it's going to be harder and harder for you to hold. And I totally understand. If you have profit and you feel as though it would make you feel better about taking that profit, then by all means, take the profit. I'm not going to tell you that you have to physically hold everything. I'm not going to tell you that. You hold what you feel as though you can hold or you need to hold, right? But I don't recommend that everybody sells everything because if you sell everything, you lose out on what the opportunity will give you in the future. If there is one, right? If there is a huge opportunity, then you miss out on that opportunity, right? So you can do whatever you feel is necessary, whatever you feel is going to make you a better investor. But that's kind of what's making people fearful. I understand I'm getting those comments where people are like, what do I do now? It's at $3.10. I invested at $4.40 or $3.40. What do I do? Right? And that's kind of the very, very tricky part. What do you do? That's totally up to you. For me, I still have my 210, almost 211,000 XRP, and I'm going to sit on that, right? I'm definitely going to sit on at least 10,000. That's going to be my forever amount. So it will hold for as long as I talk about XRP, as long as I talk about crypto. That's how long I'll hold. I'll probably hold for even longer than that. It'll probably be Harper's at the end, right? I'm going to be 70 years old, 80 years old on my deathbed or something, and that XRP is still going to be in that wallet and it's going to be hers. Whether it's worth 10,000 per coin or whether it's worth $10 per coin, it will be hers, right? And then it may be Hayden's. I don't know what they end up doing with it. It doesn't matter. But the point is that we will hold that forever to create that generational wealth. And that's firmly what I believe in. But if you're afraid, if you're fearful, then it's okay, right? It's okay to have these emotions. But Warren Buffett has said it best. Even though he doesn't believe in cryptocurrency, be fearful while others are greedy and be greedy while others are fearful. Right? So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. My voice is almost completely gone. Also, thank you to AddUp for sponsoring this video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.